Very amazing today on the 13th of June 2023 we have Sankt Persgatan, was it
Yeah.
again? Or Gatan?
Yeah.
139 staircase I, but there are several more here, but they're completely impossible to get into, but at least we got into one of them.
Yeah.
How many are there in total?
Um,
Did you look at that?
I have to but some of them has been modernized by Kone or replacement. Yeah.
This must have been built sometime maybe in the mid or late 1970s.
Yeah.
Probably. Oh, outside in the building it says 1980.
Yeah.
So it's built 1980.
Yeah, that's true.
We can take two rides here.
Yeah.
We get best 6 for 5 grams. The number is it's H002434. But there's also one classic VR outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
We cannot get it right now,
Mm.
hopefully some other time.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, 40.
Mm.
Second ride
Yeah.
here. Door, that's for the door.
Mm.
To open it.
Inspected by the craft, maintained by Kone.
It had amazing sounds.
Yeah.
Like a roach matching and that's it. Hope we can get to the other ones later on, or some other time. That's it.
That's